Hi, welcome back. Lesson 31, I think. So today we are going to learn how to draw Goofy. So let's go. Okay, so here we go. I have drawn a circle to start with, and then I've dissected it in half, and then I've just drawn a line, just a fraction from the bottom of the circle. I'm going to draw it in pencil today rather than doing it in colour and then going over in pencil, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw it in pencil and then I'm going to go over it with pen when I'm happy with it. So from our circle here we need to put in Goofy's nose, so just going to adjust that line because I don't think it's quite where it should be. There we go. So I'm going to draw a half moon shape here. And then we have Goofy's cheeks coming here on the other side, and then it goes over the edge of the circle like so. Okay, now at the bottom here of the circle we have Goofy's nose. I'm just going to move the page, and that's like a sort of a grape shape, something like that. Okay, then underneath that we're just going to bring that line down a bit. We're going to bring the bottom of his nose, and that's going to come round here. So it curves around that side, and then we're going to do the same on this side. Like so. If we keep our pencil marks quite light, and then we can always adjust them as we go, and then we can rub them out when we're finished. So we've got that, then we need some teeth. So we're going to put one in here, and then one in over here. Something like that. And then the bottom of Goofy's jaw is going to come in around here, underneath the tooth. Like so. Okay, so I'm quite happy with that so far. If I bring it up there so you can see. Like so. So we're now going to move up to the eyes and the rest of the nose. The cheeks come in like this, and we have the top part of Goofy's mouth in there, like so, and then we can put his tongue in as well, so that comes like so. It's a bit like a mountain. Okay, and then he's going to have a little bit of a bit there. Okay, like that. Okay, so we are now going to put the eyes in. So he is going to have another line above this one, like so. And then either side of the line we're going to have another two grape shapes for the eyes. Like so. Try where you can to get them so they're just about the right size. So here we go. And then we're going to do the top of the eyes going to come up here and they're going to go to the top of the circle and then round here, along here, and then join up like so. Again the same this side, come to the top of the circle, join it up, so it comes round like so. Okay, it's beginning to take shape, and then we want an M shape at the top for the eyebrow. Like so. Okay, so now we are going to put in the ears. So the ears are going to come in around about there. I have a circle, sort of, well, not quite a semicircle, an U shape maybe there. And then the ear will come in here. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. Another U shape there. Try and get them the right size. And the ear will come in here. Okay. Now we're going to put in a couple of bits of hair. So he's going to have one coming there, one there, and one like so. Okay, I'm going to move the page up and we're going to finish off the ears. Like so, and then the other one, the other side. Again, trying to make sure that they're sort of the same size. There we go. And then Goofy is going to wear a hat. So we need to pop that in, or just do the edge of his head, which we can use from the circle that we drew originally. Like so. So his hat is going to come here, so he's going to have a line here, and then the other line is coming around here, like so. We are then going to draw a line here, and then we are going to put a little bit there, and a little bit there. And then this is going to come round like so. And then here, we've got a big curly circle, so half a circle in here, and then it's going to duck in, so it looks like the side of a jelly bean. And then we're going to put the other side here, like so, and a line there, so just out of your shot. So lift the camera up a bit so you can see. There you go. Okay, so I think I have nearly done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get a pen and I'm going to go over it, and then I'll come back to you. Okay, so there you have it. I've gone over in black pen, and what I did just do is I did adjust this slightly. I'm still not sure it's quite right. It might need to be a little bit longer there, but there you have it. Your step-by-step guide to drawing Goofy. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.